Are you thinking about moving to Peoria, Arizona? Well, in today's video, I'm going to be taking you to the northwest part of Peoria and a community called Rock Springs. This community is located just east of the 303 freeway, and it's nestled at the base of the Peoria West Wing Mountain Preserve. In today's video, I'm going to take you to 3 different homes in 3 different price points so that you can see what might fit your budget. And if this is your first time to my channel, please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications so that you can be the first to learn about anything new happening here in Arizona. Let's head over to home number 1. The amenities in Rock Springs consist primarily of parks and picnic areas, ramadas, green spaces, which this home sits right across from a green space, as you can see. And there's tons of hiking and biking trails because we're just southeast of the West Wing Mountain Preserve and the New River Dam area. Additionally, there's Paloma Community Park, and it's about 4 miles from this community, and that has pickleball, dog parks, a fishing lake, splash pads, restrooms, ball fields, picnic ramadas, and everything. Here we are at house number 1. This home is 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2,471 square feet. It was built in 2012. It is on a 7,200 square foot lot. It has a 3-car garage, and as you saw, has an RV garage, north-south exposure, and electric appliances, granite, stainless steel appliances, and the tile flooring, also carpet. Nice large loft area up top. Another large bedroom with a walk-in closet. Here's that primary bedroom, really nice and large primary bedroom, big windows. Really large, spacious RV garage, which pulls all the way through. And you've got these cabinets here, lots of storage, and a tandem. There are currently 7 homes for sale right now in Rock Springs, ranging in price from $574,900 all the way up to $824,000. And the average sale price year to date in Rock Springs for 2023, and we're in August, was $619,000. This home is listed at $599,000. So let's head over and see home number 2. Here we are at home number 2, and as you can see, this home sits next to a green space right across the street. It is a corner lot. It has a nice security gate, so in the cooler months you can leave that front door open and get a nice cross breeze. It has electric appliances, plantation shutters throughout. The floor was updated this year, the plumbing, the kitchen was remodeled, and the backyard has pavers and artificial turf, so it's low maintenance landscaping, and it also has a covered patio. Here we are at home number 3. This home is 6 bedrooms, and I'm going to take you inside, but I wanted to point out really quickly the little park across the way. It also is open space across from you, and down a little bit is a trail that takes you out into that open space. This home has 6 bedrooms, 4.5 baths. It's 4,320 square feet. It was built in 2013, and it's on an 8,800 square foot lot. And it's a corner lot, so let's head inside. We got this nice office space right off the front door. This flooring was updated this year. You've got a formal dining area here. 3-car garage. I'll show you that in a minute. Really large space off of the kitchen. You've got your granite counters, stainless appliances, electric. You've got a nice butler's pantry back here off the dining room. Nice large pantry. It's formal dining. One full bedroom downstairs with 2 bathrooms. Nice large closet there. Full bathroom here. Downstairs bedroom. Let's head upstairs. Huge loft area. Again, those beautiful views outside. Laundry. Bedroom 2. Shared bathroom for these 2 bedrooms here. Right off the loft. Bedroom 5. Walk-in closet. This goes into your primary suite here. Here's your primary, which you can access off of the loft as well. Huge bathroom. Really spacious closet in here. There's that 3-car garage with the built-in cabinets. So home number 3 sits really close to shopping. It's about 4 miles away. There's a Lake Pleasant Crossings shopping center, and that has your Home Depot. They have a Lowe's across the street, Target, tons of restaurants, haymakers. They have banks, car detailing, car washes, all sorts of items in that area. Also, pediatrics is located in that area. And speaking of healthcare, there's a hospital located just 7 miles away from this community. Also, Lake Pleasant is about 40 minutes from this area. So this home is located in a really great area across from that open space and hiking trails. I think you're really gonna love this home. Rock Springs is a gated master plan community with approximately 700 homes ranging in size from around 1,800 square feet all the way up to 4,300 square feet. And many of these homes have RV gates and lots of different home sizes in here. There are 3 separate sections in here, with the main difference being the size of the lots, the number of garages. The east side of the community has 2-car garages, then the middle section has those 3- and 4-car garages and those larger lot sizes, and then on the west side, those have those RV garages. That's the main difference in this community. Before I talk to you about house number 2, I wanted to talk to you about the schools that you are going to be near in this community. Deer Valley Unified School District is here. You've got Terramar Elementary, Hillcrest Middle School, Sandra Day O'Connor High School, and you also have some charter schools available to you. One is called Basis and also Legacy Traditional. So wrapping up today, this community is close to your schools, the shopping and recreation. It's gated, your neighbors here are super friendly, and you have a fire station close by, and it's just outside the gates of Rock Springs. You're close to freeways. Just 6 miles to the east is the 303 freeway, and 8 miles is the I-17. Lake Pleasant, again, is 20 to 30 minutes away, and also there's the 500 Club, which is a public golf course. That's just 6 miles southeast of this community. So what I loved about the community is it has these little light posts that are really cute. You also have low HOAs, and as you can see in the background, you've got all of these mountains that it's nestled around. So really beautiful community. Thanks for joining me today in this community of Rock Springs. My name is Michelle Seymour, and I'm an Arizona realtor that covers the area west of Phoenix, also known as the West Valley. And I get phone calls every day from people just like you that are looking to make the move here to Arizona. So if that's you and you're thinking about moving in the next day, week, or even month from now, please reach out, send me an email, shoot me a text, give me a call, and I'd be more than happy to help. And if this is your first time to the channel, please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications so that you can be the first person to learn about anything new happening here in Arizona. And if this community did not meet all of those needs that you have or check all of those boxes, make sure to comment below and let me know if there's another community you'd be interested. Until next time, thanks for joining me today.